A revised, updated, and comprehensive guide to backpacking with a complete view of modern-day backpacking. The Backpacker's Field Manual covers the best in gear, first aid, and leave no trace camping, and also includes chapters dedicated to trip planning, cooking and nutrition, hygiene and water purification, and more. Whether you're about to set off on your first hike or have been camping for decades, the Backpacker's Field Manual is an indispensable guide for trip planning strategies and also works as a quick reference on the trail for backcountry skills. How to forecast the weather, identify trees, bear-proof your campsite, wrap an injured ankle, and more, with over 100 illustrations to guide you. Tricks of the trail. Time-tested practical lessons learned along the way. Going ultralight. Downsizing suggestions for those who want to lighten up. Every traveler knows that space in a backpack is limited, so on your next trip, carry the only guide you'll ever need, this one, and take to the great outdoors with confidence. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent beginner's resource. As a novice hiker, I wanted to make sure I was properly informed about hiking and backpacking in the field and found this to not only be informative but it also opened up my curiosity for other aspects of the outdoors, such as reading maps, predicting the weather, and identifying plants and animals. It's not geared for the bushcrafting survivalist, but it will help get you down the trail with the right gear. This is a prime resource and anyone looking for a good field guide to get started with, I'd highly recommend this book.